Grace, quick question for you. You've spent a good amount of time in the warehouse. What is the oldest bike we have parts for?
That's a good question. Why don't we use the My Garage tool to find out? Looks like it's a 1929 Harley Davidson Butte. Let's go in the warehouse and go grab those parts. All right, first stop, we got the shifter letter stud kit from Colony. Let's go grab a few more.
Sweet.
All right, so our second part, we have the connecting rod bearing set from SNS.
Sweet. Just a little more general maintenance. Let's go grab the last one.
Last one we're getting is a flywheel thrust washer set from Eastern Motorcycle Parts. Here.
Sweet. I can't believe that Dennis Kirk has over 40 exact fits for this motorcycle. There's no telling what it has for, like, I don't know, any other bike.